Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today we are starting the card kit series, Sweet as Honey. We're going to make this card right here. It's really pretty. So we're just going to get started, and it's really not much to do to this card. We're just going to color and put it together. This is really simple design. So just going to show you the colors I'm using. I am not going to use the colors they recommended in the video. In the instructions. You can use whatever colors you wish, but if you need to know the colors I'm using Majestic Violet. I will use Vibrant Fuchsia for some of the inking around the edges. I'm going to use Summer Sky and New Sprout. So I'm just going to start putting the card together. I will speed up the video here and there and just enjoy the process. So this goes inside the card, so I'll just glue that right now. And it goes this way. So we'll do that. You don't always have to make the card exactly as it says. It's your art, so you do what you wish. So we'll just do that. It shows a blonde haired bee. I'm going to change the color of my bee to brown because that's what I like. But you do what you like. I think that would make my card look better, in my opinion. Just adds more color. So this is what I have so far. And then there are, looks like shapes. So I'm just going to follow the pattern of the shapes like this and glue those on, just based on what it shows on the packaging. Looks like this. And there is some inking on some of these shapes, so I will do that. And this is the pattern it shows from what I see. And I think this one goes this way, like that. And that's how it's designed. So we'll glue the pieces on like that, and then we'll do some coloring. And there's 3 flowers and this sprout that you'll cut apart, and then you may want to save some of these pieces for other cards because you really don't need that many pieces, like maybe this one and this one. Then you can save the rest for another card, because I had to get this out of another package. For some reason I didn't have one in my particular card. Okay, so sit back and enjoy the process. So I'll just go ahead and put this card together and I'll speed up the video. Okay, here is the finished card. I hope you like the changes I made to the original design. I added some flat back pearls in the center of the flowers. I added stickles to the wings. I also added a rhinestone, well, you know, to the little bow tie of the outfit. And I changed the hair color and also the colors that they recommended. I like purple. So I think it looked so much better. It made the card pop. So let me know what you think. I'll show you what the original card looked like. It looked like this. And I just didn't like that. I like mine better. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. And again, I encourage you to change your card kit to what you like. I think it turned out beautiful. And again, the card is "You Are Beautiful," and I think this card is beautiful. So I will include a picture at the end so you can see how it looked, how it turned out, if you need a closer look. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Again, I will link the card kit in the description box below if you're interested in following along with the series.